Hey everybody, Dr. Luke Stringer here, Advanced Health Chiropractic down in South Loop, Chicago. Summertime is finally upon us, and many of you probably taking trips and vacations, road tripping, flying everywhere. A real common complaint of our patients is, when I travel on an airplane, why am I getting a ton of neck, upper back pain, and even headaches? It's all to do with flexion. So if you evaluate anyone's posture, walk down the street, and you look at their posture from the side, their ear should meet their shoulder. And then when you look at the anatomy of the neck, top bone, bottom bone, 42-degree curve. We should be in alignment with the curve of the neck to carry the weight of our head 10 to 12 pounds. This keeps the stress and tension out the spine, the disc, muscle ligaments and tendons. Supplement that with balanced muscle strength. Those postural muscles should be able to sit, fly in a plane without any pain or restriction. However, everything we do in life is involving flexion. What's flexion? This is flexion. So now, if you literally are watching this video on your iPhone, where's your iPhone? Is it up here or is it down here? More often than not, it's down here. This creates a phenomenon that we treat a ton of in the clinic called tech neck. Essentially, tech neck is your neck or your head shifted forwards and your spine's gone straight. So it essentially looks like this in regards to posture. It's going to create a ton of stress and tension in the neck and the upper back. When you evaluate this on X-ray, as I discussed in posture, top bone should be on top of bottom bone, should have a 42-degree curve. But if we're looking down all the time, in flexion, the weight of your head plus gravity slowly brings your neck out of alignment. So now the top bone's in front of the bottom bone, and the neck's gone straight, which is going to increase the stress and tension within the discs, compress nerves, create tension into the musculature, into your neck and your upper back. So essentially, how do you avoid that? It's real simple. Make sure at all times, particularly when you're on an airplane, that everything we're doing is in front of us. And how do we check that? Whole hand between your chin and your chest. There should be no more flexion of your head than this. So whenever you're on your phone, reading a book, and you're traveling on a plane, make sure you can get a whole hand between your chin and your chest. That's going to keep the stress and tension out the neck, the head, and the spine. Look, if you're suffering neck pain, headaches, upper back pain, you can't do the things, you should be able to travel the world, enjoy those trips without worrying about neck pain on the way there and the way back, or even when you're there. That's something we can help you with. I encourage you to give us a call, 312-987-4878, and or hit the link in the bio, set up your new patient appointment, come in, get a thorough evaluation. If it's something we can help you with, to create a roadmap to get you from where you're at today to where you should be, living life without pain or restriction and or without the use of drugs or surgery. However you like the video, if you're watching on Instagram, Facebook, like, follow the page. If it's on YouTube, subscribe, turn on notification bell. See you in the next video.